In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Viber chat history on your PC quickly and easily. Viber, as many of you may know, is a convenient tool for messaging and keeping in touch with friends and family. And having access to your chat history on a PC can be extremely useful, whether for personal reasons or work. If Viber is already linked to your computer, you'll be happy to know that the chat history syncs automatically, which saves you a lot of time and hassle. This means you won't need to constantly reconnect or manually update your history whenever you switch from your phone to your computer. Instead, it all happens seamlessly in the background. To get started, simply open your Viber app on the PC. This step is straightforward, and if your accounts are already synced, you'll find everything is just where you left off. Once you've opened the app, you'll want to find and tap on the specific chat whose history you're interested in. This could be an important work conversation, a personal chat with friends, or any other exchange you're eager to look back on. Now, here's where it gets really simple. All you need to do to access the older parts of your chat is to scroll up on your chosen conversation. Viber is designed to automatically load older messages as you scroll, so there's no need to press any additional buttons or look for separate archives. It's as straightforward as placing your mouse or finger on the trackpad and moving upwards. The great thing about this method is that no extra steps are needed beyond what I've just explained. You're not required to download any additional software or follow complex procedures. It's all done instantly, which makes retrieving past messages a breeze. The entire process focuses on simplicity and efficiency, allowing you to focus on the content you want without unnecessary distractions. In essence, you get the messages you want, at any time you want them, smoothly and conveniently. Whether you're reliving past conversations or simply catching up with ongoing ones, you'll find this approach to accessing your chat history both effective and user-friendly. And there you have it, a quick and comprehensive guide to accessing your Viber chat history on a PC. I hope you found this method easy to follow. With Viber's smart syncing features, retrieving past messages is made incredibly simple, ensuring you're always connected to your important conversations, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips.